Welcome to Travel and Work Channel, a one-stop channel for all your traveling, studying, working and living abroad. Please subscribe for consistent information, updates and news. As we know that Harvard University has a strong standing among other universities and it isn't cheap either. Not everyone has the money or even the grades to be a full-time Harvard student. The good thing is that as long as you have a computer and access to the internet, you can take courses taught by Harvard professors. The first course of my 10 courses is Computer Science. This is Harvard's introductory computer science and programming course. While taking this course, you can expect to learn concepts like abstraction, algorithms, data structures, encapsulation, resource management, security, software engineering, and web development. Additionally, you'll receive an introduction to many of the most popular programming languages, including C, Python, SQL, and JavaScript plus CSS and HTML. There is no college credit needed for this course. Only course certificate is available. You can add a verified certificate for $199. The course is self-paced and requires 10 to 20 hours per week of study. The time needed for completion is about 11 weeks. The course is an introductory course and it is delivered in English language. Next course, which is number 2 on my list, is Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. This course is the next step after Harvard's Introduction to Computer Science course. It dives deeper into the design and implementation of web apps with Python, JavaScript, and SQL using frameworks like Django, React, and Bootstrap. You'll be able to engage in hands-on projects that help you learn to write and use APIs, create interactive UIs, and leverage cloud services like GitHub and Heroku. By the end of this course, you'll have the knowledge you need to design and launch applications on the internet. There is no college credit needed for this course, only a verified certified which can be ordered for $199. The course is self-paced and requires 6 to 9 hours of study per week. The completion time is 12 weeks. The third course you can do for free in Harvard is Game Development. In this course, you can expect to learn about the development of 2D and 3D interactive video games. You'll be able to explore the development of the games you may have played as a kid, including Super Mario Bros., Pong, Legend of Zelda, Angry Birds, and other classics. You'll engage in lectures and hands-on projects to learn the principles of 2D and 3D graphics, animation, sound, and collision detection. And by the end of the course, you'll have programmed some of your own games. Like the other courses, there is no college credit needed for this course, only a verified certified which can be ordered for $199. The course is self-paced and requires 6 to 9 hours of study per week. The completion time is 12 weeks. Fourth course on my list is Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python. This course will teach you the concepts and algorithms at the foundation of modern artificial intelligence. You'll get to complete hands-on projects that introduce you to the theories behind graph search algorithms, classification, optimization, reinforcement learning, and other artificial intelligence and machine learning topics. By the end of the course, you should have the basic tools and knowledge you need to design intelligent systems of your own. There is no college credit needed for this course, only a verified certified which can be ordered for $199. The course is self-paced and requires 10 to 30 hours of study. The fifth course is Exercising Leadership Foundational Principles. This course will teach you the foundations of what it takes to be a compelling and effective leader. You will learn how to recognize and break down problems, how to understand the role of authority, how to build and renew trust-filled relationships, how to deal with conflict, how to excel amid change and more. No college credits awarded for this course. It is a course certificate-only course. It has a free-to-audit and you can add a verified certificate for $139. The course is self-paced. The time commitment is 2 to 3 hours per week. Time needed for completion is 4 weeks. It is an introductory level course. The course languages is English. The sixth course on my list is Technology Entrepreneurship. Lab to Market. This course will help you develop an understanding of how entrepreneurs build successful businesses by moving technology from the lab to the market. You'll learn the complexities of the commercialization process and what it takes to answer difficult questions regarding how products will be used when they are ready to hit the market, and how to secure funding, among other things. It is a certificate-only course. It is free to audit. You can add a verified certificate for $99. It is self-paced and it takes 2 to 4 hours per week. Time needed for completion is 5 weeks. The 7th course is Entrepreneurship in Emerging Economies. In brief, this course explores how to be a successful entrepreneur in a developing country with an emerging economy. It teaches you how to fill a void in the market while navigating all of the barriers imposed by an emerging economy. You'll learn how to identify opportunities for entrepreneurship in growing markets and develop an understanding of how to problem solve in these situations. You can add a verified certificate for $199. It is self-paced and needs time commitment of 3 to 5 hours per week. The time needed for completion is 6 weeks. It is an introductory level course. Number 8 course on my list is Calculus Applied. In this course, you can expect to learn how calculus is used outside of the classroom. The course virtually visits people in diverse fields, including economics, education, statistics, medicine, and more, to explore how calculus and mathematical models are used in their work. According to the course description, this course is designed to supplement a single variable calculus course at the high school or college university level so that you better understand how calculus and mathematical models are applied. A verified certificate will cost $139. You will need 3 to 6 hours of study. Expected completion week is 10 weeks. The course is taught in English language. Now, number 9 course on my list is Early Childhood Development. Global Strategies for Interventions. The course is geared towards those around the world working in early childhood education. It dives into examples of the best practices and explores what makes them effective and how they can be scaled so that you can implement the strategies within your own organization. Additionally, you'll become familiar with the proper steps to build a successful program and develop an understanding of which steps to prioritize. A verified certificate is $99. Study is 1 to 3 hours per week over 7 weeks. Finally, my number 10 course if you like politics is American Government Constitutional Foundations. It is a dive into political culture and the Constitution. It explores the origins of U.S. political culture, how that influenced the creation of the Constitution, and how the Constitution continues to influence politics and policy in the United States today. You can expect to learn about the pillars of the Constitution, what the framers were trying to accomplish, how power is divided between federal and state governments, and what individual rights Americans have. It is self-paced with 2 to 4 hours a week study over 4 weeks. Verified certificate is $99. So, we have come to the end of the top 10 free courses that you can study in Harvard University with no money. Except when you want to prove of your study. You will have to purchase a verified certificate, which is worth it. All of these courses will give you the opportunity to learn directly from some of the most renowned professors in the world. It is hard to think of a better way to spend your free time than taking Harvard courses online. The best of all is that there's no money or serious time commitment attached to these courses. All you need to do is enroll. If this video has been of value, consider subscribing and press the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.